Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Snapshot application using your iPhone. Simply keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by typing open Snapchat app from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged in. Once you are go and tap on the profile icon located at the upper left-hand corner from your camera screen, and this will bring up your profile page. From your profile page, tap on the gear button located at the upper right-hand corner, and from this page, scroll all the way down until you see a button that says App Appearance. Give it a tap, and from the list of the options displayed, tap on Always Dark in order to activate or enable dark mode on Snapchat application. That is how it can be quickly done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.